Alrighty guys, just got this new pick gun. Now I'm gonna give it a shot on this Kwikset lock over here, house lock. Like I said, I'm not too good at it, so give me some time. There we go. See how it's opening? There you go. There. Let's close this sucker back up. I'm gonna use the same pick gun. This time I'm gonna do it on a desk lock. Give me 1 second. Let me move this tripod a second. There you go. You can see right there the lock. Well, as you can see, the door is locked. So let's give it a shot. This is very easy, a lot easier than any other lock. I'll probably get, oops, I don't know why that did that. Anyways, probably easier than a lot of other locks you'll see. I'm not gonna brag about it. See how it is. There you go, first try. And now it's open. Lock it.